welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AB Special as usual. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Please consider subscribing, and if you're a returnee, oh my god, you guys are the MVPs. I really appreciate. You're the best. Thank you for always coming back. Yeah, still in the spirit of our 30 days challenge. Yeah, I hope you've been enjoying this challenge so far, because man, I'm trying. Yes, I'm trying. I just pray I can keep up with it till it's 30 days. Then after our 30 days challenge, we are going to celebrate. Yes. So without wasting much of your time, I don't know why I'm feeling myself today. Okay. I just want to talk about our new normal. Yeah, because 2020 has been a year with a lot of things. I think 2020 is 1 year everybody will never ever forget. Like, things has changed, and there are things that I don't think will go back to normal anytime soon. Like, there are so many things that have changed. It have changed because of COVID. Uncle COVID has changed things for us. For example, now working with face masks and face shield. Oh my god, that thing can be so annoying. See, I sweat a lot, especially here. You see this place like this, I sweat a lot. I'm so uncomfortable using face masks. But man, without face masks, I will not be allowed to use any public transport. Or even if I manage to use face masks, they will still ask for face shield. Without face masks, you can manage and maybe use tricycle. Not all tricycle drivers are even bothered about face shield. But entering the malls and all that, you need your face shield, and that is so uncomfortable. Like, it's so uncomfortable. So that's part of our new normal. We have to always work with our face masks and face shield. You get that? And again, see, this corona period, things really changed. Honestly, it really changed, and it really affected so many lives. And to some people, it was actually good, because we will not say it was totally bad for everybody. Because come to think of it, the company that manufactures hand sanitizer, face mask, face shield, what is it called? This oh my god, I'm trying to remember the name. I've forgotten. All of them are making money now, so it's not bad for everybody. It's actually good for some people. Yeah, so you can see that even in some worst situations, something good still comes out of it sometimes. I'm not saying all worst situations there's something good, but most of the time, worst situations, something good comes out of it. Like now, part of our new normal in church, like I attend a Filipino church, but for now I go to African churches, because they are so conscious of everything. Before you go to church, you don't just walk to church on Sunday. You have to pre-register on Saturday. So if you don't register on Saturday, you'll not be allowed to enter the church on Sunday. Before, they were allowing, like, you can register on Sunday morning. But presently now, they said if you don't register on Saturday, then you have to wait maybe for the next service. That's if you don't register on Saturday for 10 a.m. service, you can register on Sunday morning for 3 p.m. service. So you can see that things have changed. It's not like before that you can just sit and say, oh, I don't want to go to church. Then later, you don't feel like going to church. You now stand up, dress, and go to church. No. If you don't feel like going to church on Saturday and on Sunday you feel like going to church, there's no church for you in here. Or you have to go to 3 p.m. service. And now, the music team. Normal, there is always a lead singer and 4 backups plus a drummer, keyboardist, bassist, and all that. But now it's just one lead singer. There is no backup because of what? Practicing social distancing. Yeah, so hey, social distancing has, oh my god. Well, this period things really changed. We can't change the fact that a lot has happened, a lot has changed in our lives in one way or the other. A lot have changed. Imagine normal you dress to school and all that, but now you just sit at home with your laptop and listen to everything, and like most people are complaining that they don't understand. They prefer going to school where they can ask their instructors questions. Most of the students, because I'm not counting myself because right now I'm not a student, most of the student complains that their instructors just come, and most of the time they use Tagalog because they are not seeing you. They are so comfortable in speaking Tagalog. So if they are not seeing you facially, that oh, you're not understanding them, they just continue speaking Tagalog. And most of these students are complaining that they don't even understand what these people are saying, and at the end of the day, the next thing you will see is exam. This is part of our new normal. Like now going to the mall, you have, in short, I feel every store now that you're going to, you have to write your name, your address, your what is it called, your phone number. They check your temperature before you enter anywhere. So imagine, when do you think we can go back to our normal lives that we just walk into the mall without going through checking your temperature or going through writing your names? Even now, Nepo Mall, you don't just write your number. They have phone that they will use. They will tell you, call it. They will call you and make sure it's ringing in your hand to be sure that you dropped your number, to show you how serious this thing is really affecting our lives. Because all this thing takes time. You can't just say, oh, I want to rush and get something in the mall, or maybe you just time yourself like, oh, in 30 minutes I'll be done, and you get to the mall, you see line before they'll start dialing number 11 to call if it's your number that you are dropping. You end up spending the 30 minutes that you say you use and go to the mall and come back. You spend it waiting for your turn. Like, things has really changed. I just pray everything ends this 2020. We should not enter 2021 with all this long process of wearing face masks, using face shield. Even taxi now, normal taxi that we can see 3 at the back, 1 in front. Now taxi is 2 at the back and 1 in front. Tricycle that you carry 2, 3, 4 depending on how tiny your body is. Now tricycle carries only 1. Like, you can't go out with your friend and say, oh, let's manage transportation and use 1 tricycle. If that place is 500 pesos, you people use for 500 for 2 tricycles. Like, it's really affecting us. I just pray excuse me, I just pray that this comes to an end, this 2020. Oh my God, let's all pray that things go back to normal. But meanwhile, let's get used to our new normal for now and hope that we go back to our old normal. So without wasting much of your time, see you guys in my next one. If you have anything to say, drop it down in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to talk about, drop it down in the comment section. I'm always here, you know. Or if there is any question, you can drop it down there. I'll answer you. If it's a question that needs a video too, I'm going to do it. I'm here for you. We are in this 30 days challenge together. Please make sure you are watching this video, because at the end of this 30 days challenge, there's going to be a massive thank you to those loyal ones that watch my video from the first day to the last day. So Thank you very much. See you guys in my next one. Please subscribe, like, share, turn on notifications so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yeah, bye.